In this video, we will go through everything you need to know about using Yeti Tool SmartTransfer app. SmartTransfer is an app that works on your computer, which scans your local network and detects all smart benches on it. You can customize the names of your smart benches so they are easy to locate. Transfer is as easy as dragging and dropping a file into the transfer window. SmartTransfer will then push the file to a smart bench over your Wi-Fi network, so it's ready for you when you are next at the machine. In this tutorial, we will cover what will you need in order to use the SmartTransfer app, how to set the name of your smart bench, how to install the app on your computer, how to use SmartTransfer, how to find your files on SmartBench, can you still use FileZilla to transfer your files to SmartBench, how to troubleshoot, and how to uninstall SmartTransfer if required. So firstly, what will you need to use SmartTransfer app? Your SmartBench must be connected to the same network as your computer, and your console software version must be 170 or above. Currently, SmartTransfer only natively runs on Windows computers. If you need to run it on your Mac or Linux-based systems, please refer to our knowledge base for detailed instructions. How do you set the name of your smart bench? Let me show you. On the console's lobby screen, using the arrows, find the System Tools app. Tap on the icon. Tap on the System Info icon. On the System Information screen, you will see that the default name for the smart bench is My Smart Bench. Tap on the name, and using on-screen keyboard, rename your smart bench to the name of your choosing. Tap anywhere on the System Information screen. Your smart bench has a new name. Now we will show you how to install Yeti Tool SmartTransfer app on your Windows 10 computer. The link in software section will point you to installing the Yeti Tool SmartTransfer app knowledge base article, and under download the install file section, you will find the link to download the file. Click on this link. Once the file is downloaded, you will need to open your downloads folder. In this particular instance of Chrome browser, you can click on this arrow and click on Show in Folder. It will open your downloads folder. You can use any third-party utility able to extract compressed files, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be using inbuilt functionality of Windows File Explorer. Point on the file, right-click, and open with Windows Explorer. Under Compressed Folder Tools, select Extract All, and by default it will choose the location in your Downloads folder. Just click Extract. Once the files are extracted, it will show you the content of the extracted folder, and here you need to double-click on Setup. SmartTransfer scans for devices on your network to find your smart benches. Some antivirus software will see this as a threat. Please be assured SmartTransfer is safe to use, so you can select Run Anyway. There will be more warnings. Just confirm your choice if you still want to install the application. You may also experience some virus and protection warnings, but this is okay at this stage. Once the application is installed, it will automatically start. Now it's time to show you how to use the SmartTransfer app. When the app is first installed, it will run automatically. The next time you want to use the application for transferring the files, you need to click on Start button and start typing Yeti. And click on Yeti Tool SmartTransfer. When application starts, it will automatically scan for smart benches in the vicinity. Once the scanning process finishes, it will display all the machines found. If the name of your smart bench is too long, you can hover the mouse above the icon and you will see the full name of the machine. In order to transfer a file, you need to choose which machine you want to transfer your file to, and click on it. Now you need to find the location of your files. In this particular video, we will be downloading a test file to our machine. So once you found the location for your file, you need to click on the file and holding the left mouse button, drag and drop it onto the application window. It will start transferring the files. And once the transfer is finished, it will display a green tick and will say transfer is successful. You may not only transfer the single files, you can transfer a group of files, or you can transfer a folder, in which case the structure of the files will be maintained. So you can take this folder and holding the left mouse button, drag and drop it to this window. Once again, the green tick sign is displayed, which means transfer is successful. Now you can close all the Smart Transfer application windows, and this will conclude the process of transferring the files. Now we've transferred our file, I will show you how to find the file in the SmartBench. On the console, using the arrows, navigate to Pro Up and tap on the icon. Now tap on the folder. Your file should appear in the list. If it doesn't appear in the list, tap on Refresh. Can you still use FileZilla to transfer a file to SmartBench? In short, the answer is yes. FileZilla is still supported. However, we found that it is much slower to set up and to use. If you'd like to know more about using FileZilla, follow the links to our knowledge base in the description for this video. In this video, we will show you what to do if you encounter problems using your Yeti Tool SmartTransfer app. We have a dedicated troubleshooting article in our knowledge base, which you can consult. There are different scenarios and different problems described. For the purpose of this video, we will simulate the scenario when we have our Wi-Fi disconnected. So now we will start our transfer up. It will start scanning the process and will come up with a message that couldn't find any smart benches. In this scenario, you should check that your Wi-Fi is connected. And once you connect it to your network, click on Refresh button in the app. Once the list is refreshed, you will see all the available machines. If you encounter any problems, once again, just check our troubleshooting article. If the article doesn't help to solve your problem, you can submit the support ticket. Now I will show you how to uninstall SmartTransfer app from your Windows computer if you decide you no longer need it. Click on Windows Start button and start typing programs. And click on Add or Remove Programs. Windows will display all the applications installed on your computer. To simplify your search, you can just start typing Yeti, and it will show you that one app found here. Click on this icon and click on Uninstall button. Confirm your choice and select Remove the application from this computer and click OK. This will completely uninstall the SmartTransfer app from your computer, and if in the future you will decide you want to use it again, you will need to reinstall it. And that should be everything you need to know about using Yeti Tool SmartTransfer app. If you'd like further information, please visit knowledge base on our website. Thank you for watching.